You now see the role center for the crew on board. For reporting, we have various tiles in place. Within health safety environment, we will deal with human resources and the environment and will have a predefined tile for injury and near injury reporting. Also reporting non-conformity from any standard or code. Within fleet support, we have the possibility of reporting defects related to ship's equipment and damage related to reporting about something about the vessel itself, the asset. So let me explain how this reporting is done. You see here an example of injury of eyes when drilling in the workshop. Notice that you can have a near injury or a real injury. These reports all follow the same kind of pattern. With simple why questions like when, what, and why, and how, we will ask the crew to build up the first initial reporting. So notice the similarity under a damage report for damage of fendering during towing operations at London Gateway. When opening this report, you see the same build-up with the same kind of questions. The same way it's done in the defect reporting. This is from exhaust gas leakage reported from the aux engine starboard. And in all these reports, we work with easy lookup screens. So you can select here and be guided through which part you need to select. So it is relatively easy to build these reports. With how, we will always ask with a tooltip the eyewitness report. So the eyewitness, what have you seen? What have you heard? What is from your senses to this? And then with why, we try to reason, assume, think or confirm why this happened. Also, in related to non-conformity, you will see the same build-up. This was an observation issued during a classification society. And here you can see a violation of the Maritime Labour Convention. An observation was made about the hours of rest. Here also the same kind of lookup applies to easily select from a list which standard code was violated and when it happened. All these reports, regardless of the context, will follow the same office follow-up. So office follow-up is when the report is signed and available for the office to follow up. Office follow-up consists of a planning when there will be office follow-up, and part to do cause analysis, what happened, to find the root cause, then to place action and to do on certain people within the organization to remedy the issues. Parts and service can be ordered and linked to any report. Enclosures like pictures can be edited and an evaluation tab for learning purposes. All these reports follow the same kind of pattern. And might there be reports that are not fitting within these predefined groups? Then under forms, you can add literally any PDF or Word or Excel file you want to have additional registration from the ship. This is in a nutshell QHSE reporting within TugVision's Business Central.